Ahoy, lads and ladies! We're in a bit of a hurry because the server will close in 2 minutes. And
Oi,
I
lads.
joined, sorry.
Oh shit.
Sorry,
I'm
dude.
not. I didn't join yet.
Yeah, I did.
Okay,
Sorry, man. Okay, I'm
I
attackable now.
haven't changed the StayHome-Varo thingy.
It's
So
okay.
it still says StayHome-Varo.
Okay, just come straight to me, I'm digging up.
Yeah.
We wanna... Should I say it now?
Yeah.
We wanna
Wait,
snipe someone.
let me dig.
What are you?
I can dig faster than you.
Do you have a diamond pickaxe?
Yeah.
Okay. Taking out the coordinates now. Ooh, we gotta run quite some...
Oh
quite a
shit!
distance. Close one. Is your iron sword not enchanted yet?
No, it isn't.
Okay, we'll do that when we're there.
Yeah.
Let's run as high as we can because we're faster this way. And then let's dig up again. Okay.
I just hope we're not below a mountain.
No, we're at the moment we're not.
Are you sure?
Yeah. And when you look at the coordinates, it tells you which biome you're in, and we're in the biome river, so we're not in the mountains anymore. That's good. We should be at the surface in like 10 blocks.
Are you behind me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Good. Oh, there.
This should be the surface dirt. Okay. Never mind. Oh, now we're in the mountain. Wait. You dug straight into a mountain. wait. Let's go back to this side. Dig straight ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh, that was close. Okay, wait. No, we gotta go to this side, I think. Wait. Yes, and to this. Okay, like this. Are you with me?
Nope.
Okay, but you're behind me.
Yeah.
Good. Just tell me when you can't see me anymore.
I cannot see you anymore.
But you see my name tag.
I
To your
don't
left.
know where you
To your
went.
left.
Oh, yeah. I see you.
Oh, damn. I hate forests.
Ah! Ugh. Okay.
Okay, I think we can easily make it, but let's still hurry a bit.
Yeah. Let me eat quickly.
Yeah. Do we want to prepare some kind of trap for them?
No. No. Or should we? Do we have enough time?
Just something to slow them down, I think. No, not a full-on trap, but something to slow them.
Yeah.
So they can't escape.
Could do that, yeah.
Oh, come. This. Oh my.
I feel like we started swearing less.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
Thanks for that one. Thank you.
Do you know that sentence? I never fucking swear.
Yeah.
Wait,
I don't drink, I don't smoke, and I don't swear. F now my cigarette fell into my beer. Wasn't funny? Wait,
No.
it's over here.
Oh. No, that was so stupid what I just did.
What did you do?
I just like fell into the water. It's not much of a deal, but like still.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, man.
Pip 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 them doodly do.
Pro gamer move.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
wait,
still
we
don't
should
know how to
almost be
do that.
there.
No.
I think this could be it. Wait. Let me check. Wait. 5:37.
Here are some torches.
5:37. Wait.
Here are torches.
Okay, I heard you. 5:37. Where's for
Once
37?
again, here are. Wait.
Oh my god.
Oi, lad.
Wait, I don't get this. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do this systematically. 537. Should be in this direction. But below me. Okay. Move. Oh wait, we can just go down over there. They should be down here somewhere. You were right with the f***ing torches. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
See, you know, next time just
Yeah.
you know what I just wanted to say. Is that grammatically correct?
No.
What? Oh, here are so many Endermans and stuff. Shit. And like creepers, dude.
One should be right here. Don't die, please.
Damn.
Don't
Damn.
die. One is right here. Creeper.
Here are so many Endermans.
Oh my.
I have an Ender Pearl.
Nice. I picked it up. Second one. Take it. Okay, wait. I picked it up. Okay, here, now you have one and I have one. That's good.
And I have 10 gunpowder.
Gunpowder. Nice. You didn't pick it up. Here.
Nice, good.
Okay,
And
look.
where are they at?
Here is one of the guys. We have only 5
Where?
more minutes, by the way. Right on the
Where?
cobblestone. Right on the cobblestone
Yeah.
placed.
Okay.
And one of the guys is, wait, 532. 49. Wait, that's below us. What? What?
Huh? What? What?
What?
What's
Oh.
happening?
Is he in here? Oh my god, I gotta do this systematically again. I don't like. Maybe he's down here.
Sprachen lernen,
Babbel.
Babbel.
No, he's not here. That's too low. Where is he?
I'm building up some furnaces just because.
Okay. Come on, you can do this. Citus, please. 532.
Anything is possible.
And
Just
532 and
do it.
76. Okay, 76 would be here. Yeah, here. Then 537. No, 532. That would be in this direction and down a block.
Can you place for
This can't be right.
iron
Oh, I'm an idiot. That's why.
Big news to me.
105. Wait, what? 105 on height. Oh, I'm too high now. This is so stupid, but I'm doing it anyways. Okay. And then...
Have you found it?
Not yet. Here, he should be right here. Yeah, this is the spot. Okay, I marked it. Okay, where are you?
We build. I'm digging some keys.
Okay, I know where the two guys are.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is good. This is good. Do you have stuff that I can make a bow, please?
Yeah, sure. Wait a second. Come down here to the furnaces.
I'm here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You have the enchantment table. Please place it. 3 more minutes.
Yeah. Oh. A sword.
Power. Yes. Okay, and I have 5 arrows. And I can make some more.
Sharpness 1 sword. And then... can you please place the
anvil.
Anvil, yeah.
Here you go. Okay. You'll guard one of the guys and I'll guard the other one because they're pretty far apart, but we should have them easily. I think they only recorded 1 episode so far.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Good.
Okay, where do you want to place yourself? Look, come on up here. Let's just take a look at the situation we're in.
Yeah. Wait a second. I have. Can you craft some
I already did.
arrows?
But yeah,
Yes,
I can craft some more. I gotta throw away something. Just... Okay, come on. Oh, you need the arrows, right? Here you go.
Yeah.
Take them. Come on now. 2 more minutes. I want to show you where who is that. I can't talk anymore. Where is who? Okay, here is the younger one, I think. Wait. Let
Yeah,
me check.
I saw that.
Where's this? Oh, here it is. Exactly. Here's the younger one. And then over here, come with me. Right over here is the other one.
Good.
Right, she stands right here.
Yeah.
Or at least he should.
Wait, do you want to go here? You want to stay here? And I
Okay,
will take the younger one.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay. Nice.
Do you know what? I'm gonna quickly look at the episode so I know for sure that he's right there.
You only have 1.5 minutes left.
That's
Keep that
fine.
in mind, please.
Okay. Like I'm right there, so I just need to like cover myself a bit. That shouldn't take too long. Okay.
Should I build some wall, a wall that he cannot escape quickly?
As long as it doesn't kill him, you can build something, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna dig myself into some andesite here. 30 more seconds for me.
Okay. 45 for me.
Okay, he shouldn't see me here. Ooh, okay, okay, nice. This is good. This is good. Okay, I'm gone. Are you still on? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, and you're gone.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the way down screaming, whoa. If all we have is time, then we'll be alright.